Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming client access and goals. You need admin or granted reporting permissions to proceed. Once done, collect the date range, primary KPIs like CTR, CPC and conversions, and the campaign scope. Next, sign into Google Ads and verify the account link to Google Data Studio, because that is the only streamlined path I recommend. Make sure to enable API access and connect billing if needed. This prevents data gaps and speeds up the reporting workflow. Now you create the report in Data Studio and add the Google Ads connector. Choose the exact account and campaign view. You should select fields IMPER, clicks, cost, CTR, conv, value so metrics align with client goals. Once connected, design charts and tables and apply filters for campaign, device, and date range so the client sees relevant slices. Make sure to set default date controls and calculated fields for CPA or ROAS. These keep reports consistent week to week. Finish by cleaning visuals, adding brief annotations, and scheduling automatic refreshes and email delivery to the client. This keeps the workflow hands-off. Export a PDF snapshot and also grant view access in Data Studio so they can interact. Once done, compare calculated metrics with the Google Ads UI to ensure parity and adjust any mismatched filters. If numbers differ, check date-time settings, currency, and attribution model. Mismatched attribution is the most common issue and usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.